No, she didn't. You won't believe that cat just ripped that bag open that I had and stole the chicken bone and it's a piece of bread on the floor. That's why I got trash bags. That's why I'm always whooping on that ass.
Yo, he look crazy, like, yo, he look crazy as shit. Look at this nigga teeth, yo. He about to get somebody. Like, wait till that fish go over there at him again. Look, he got it. Bang, he got him.
Oh my God, Anthony,
Bang.
I don't want to look at that. I do not want to look at that.